Hi, this is Barbara Taffy with the Alternative Health and Beauty channel. Please like and subscribe this video if you find it helpful, and subscribe to my channel to find out a lot more about other nutrition supplements and foods that can help you stay healthy, live a longer life, and be beautiful and handsome at the same time. I'm going to go over what vitamin B12 can do for you and your health and your body, what a deficiency causes, the foods that contain B12, and lastly, the types of supplements that you can take in addition to your regular diet. And please stay tuned to the end of the video because I am going to go over the supplements that you do need to take in conjunction with B12 in order for them to work best with your body. So what does B12 do for you? It does a whole lot. It can help you make red blood cells. It can help prevent or even cure anemia. It's for your DNA, your nervous system. It helps you with the focus, preventing some anxiety, and just, it can be the happiness vitamin. So we definitely want to take more of that. It has been shown in some preliminary studies to assist with Parkinson's disease and also reverse some of the symptoms of Bell's palsy and even multiple sclerosis. It's great for your cardiovascular system. It helps with digestion, metabolism, and therefore weight loss. So, the vitamins and supplements people take for weight loss are not magic cures, but it definitely can give you that energy to exercise more and just speed up your metabolism. People that having trouble with fertility may look into their diets and see if they can up that with B12. It helps your skin and nails just be healthy and look great. And then finally, B12 is an excellent vitamin for your heart health. So what happens to your body if you don't get enough B12? Well, you can have bone loss, chronic fatigue syndrome. You can have constipation, depression, anxiety, memory loss, headaches, adrenal fatigue, heart disease, and a lot more. So the symptoms of the deficiency do not sound good, and I'd like you to definitely do what you can to avoid that. Our body does not naturally make any B12, so you have to get it from either your diet or supplementation. A vegan diet contains absolutely no vitamin B12. The foods you get it from are meats, poultry, fish, shellfish, eggs, and brewer's yeast. The dosages really are something that I'll go over with in a couple minutes, but they do need to be higher than most people can get in their diet. There are no known side effects of taking vitamin B12, and because it is a water-soluble vitamin, any that you take into your system that your body cannot use, it will be eliminated. So there's really no fear with that, as there are with some other vitamins such as vitamin A and vitamin E. There are two major types of B12, and in the comment section, I'd like you to post below what kind you typically take. So methylcobalamin is the best. However, the majority of supplements you'll see out there, especially in multivitamins, are cyanocobalamin. It's the most common, it's the least expensive, and it's the hardest to digest. So I'd really try to avoid that, although it's okay to get it in your multivitamin if you're going to take B12 in addition to that in the methylcobalamin form. It's best to take B12 with the B complex supplements because they interact with each other and they digest better. So I would absolutely suggest that you do that rather than taking it separately. Or you can even take it with a multivitamin that does contain the B complex. They are going to give you overall just even more assistance with your energy and focus and just a good attitude. There are 4 main ways that you can take B12 supplements. So the first is just a regular tablet or capsule, a regular vitamin supplement. Second, which is good, is a lozenge. You just dissolve them in your mouth, and the assimilation is a little bit quicker. People really enjoy taking the sublingual form, which is basically dissolving under your tongue, because you get the immediate effect of it, and it's completely digested in your system. However, the best way to get the B12 supplement, and it's maybe not as convenient, but you can get an injection. Doctor's offices, pretty much anywhere, can give you a B12 shot, and it is by far the most common supplement shot that people take. The supplements, if you purchase them in a store, are usually right about $15. You can go to any health food store, or there's so many places online now. And a B12 shot usually costs between $25 and $50. So there's something that you might need to get several times a year. If it's cost prohibitive, just take the lozenge or the sublingual form. I tend to take much larger doses of B12 when there's times where I'm just not getting enough sleep, I have more stress, or I just need more energy. And to give you an idea about how the supplements RDA works is 100 micrograms equals about 1,600% of the recommended daily allowance. And that sounds like a whole lot, but it really isn't. The RDA, I think, is incredibly low. People take 300 or 400 micrograms per day. So I wouldn't really pay attention to the RDA, but basically just usually you can judge by what comes in the supplement form. If you would like, you can check on my video for elderberry. You'll find some really great, helpful information there. Please subscribe to my channel to keep posted on new videos and events. Thank you for watching. This is Barbara Taffy with the Alternative Health and Beauty channel.